Welcome back everybody to the channel. We got another Whatnot unboxing video. Surprise, surprise. And let's just jump right into it. Nice little pack of packages today. Jump right into the first one. Alright, this is from Marcy Love and Mama Goose. This was a giveaway on the 11th. And I got, whoa, sorry about that, a nice copper round. Art Bar Mint, 999 copper. And this really cool Mummy 1/10 ounce. First time I'm seeing it up close because it's hard to see in using the camera. Max Mintage 750 and it's a proof like. Certificate of authenticity right here on it. Really nice, really cool. And now let's jump into the next one. And this is from PCB Coins on the 3rd. Paid $29 for this. Haley Bug 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. Really cool. Hand pour Pirate Tampa. Really nice. Now let's jump right into the next one. See, there's so many here, it's hard to decide. This is from Hertel Coins, but it was a gift from a person. Gold and Silver Numismatic. They have their Whatnot channel on their own, and they surprised me with a random gift. Really nice. 2009 District of Columbia and U.S. Territory quarter proof set. Can't beat for free, and it was really cool that I was gifted to it from somebody else. Not even just winning a giveaway. Really nice. Northern Marina Islands, U.S. Virginia Islands, District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, America Samoa. Some of these designs are really nice. Not silver or nothing, but hey, I don't mind. It's a free set. Has a COA in here too. Can't pass it up. Sorry about hitting that. I'm using a different camera holder and I keep bumping it with my arm. I'm going to try not to do that too much anymore. Alright, let's jump right into the next one. And this is from my favorite streamer on there. If you didn't know ahead of time, way to go. If not, Vanguard Coins. He is my opinion, the best streamer on Whatnot. He gives you the history of the coins, so that way if you're new to it like me, you can learn while doing everything. And free flip with it, which is really nice. And I got this Cuba 1981 Orchida, only 3,000 mintage. It's not silver, but really cool to have a Cuban coin that's so low mintage. 1 peso. Really nice, really nice. I picked this up so I could have a nice Cuban coin that's low mintage. I've got a couple other Cuban coins that I've won from Vanguard, and I really like them, but I'm still trying to learn the US, so I'm trying not to get too much foreign, because I want to learn one before I jump in to try to learn a whole bunch from the next countries. Alright, next package, another one from Vanguard. You can tell by the nice cardboard packaging. This was the first. I picked this one up. I figured I'll be nice and let you guys see what I'm paying for some of this stuff. Alright, this one was the lot 13. And this is a silver ounce, a buffalo round. I grabbed this because it's starting to get a little toning across the bison's head and face, which is looking really nice, and I figured let that continue to tone some more. That's going to look really cool if the bison itself just turns brown. And that's the one I paid $27 for on the first. Next one in that package was lot 16. And this is the one I paid a little bit more for, but you'll see. This I got a nice shield nickel to go towards my typeset, because I'm working on one of them and I can't afford high grade coins, but this is still a really nice grade. I like it. Go nicely into my type coin set. 1882. Really nice. And he'll go and explain this type of stuff if you're new to coins, well, new to coin collecting or anything. He gives you a nice little history on it and all that. And next up is, surprise, surprise, another Vanguard. Like I said, he's my favorite streamer. I spend more money on his than anywhere else, because he goes and explains, and he'll get right up close with the coin, so you know what you're getting. And a lot of coins, the coins still look so much nicer in person. This is another 2-item lot that I picked up. $10 and $11. And this one was the third. He streams Tuesdays and Thursdays normally during the day. Great time to pick it up and check him out. Link will be in description for whatnot. If you haven't signed up, you can sign up from my link. Alright, and in this we have a 1937 Mercury dime, Denver mint mark. Got this because I'm building my Mercury set. And I already got the 21s in P&D. I don't think I'll ever be able to afford a 1916D, but you never know. Maybe if I could find like a negative grade. Next one up in here is a 3-cent nickel. Not the silver version, but the nickel version. Still nice and really nice shape. Nicer than the one I've already had, so this will probably swap out and replace the one in my typeset. Really good details. And you can still read Liberty. I don't think it'll show it on the camera, but in person you can. And now the camera don't want to focus at all. Well, just take my word on it. I can see Liberty. I can still read Liberty and everything on her hat. Really nice. And the last one in that package is a half dime. Picked this up for my typeset. I have a half dime, but mine's bent and not in the greatest condition. And this is a 1972 seated half dime. Really nice. Will go along into my typeset really nice. Like I said, I don't have much money. I can't afford really nice coins, but I'll take some more, a little bit worn coins for my typeset. Works for me. And eventually I might be able to upgrade them to Mint State or even AU. Alright, that was the last from that package, and last package here to come. Right here. Yep, and if you see, it's another Vanguard. This was August 15th I got this one. Really nice. This is a 5 Balboa, Republic of Panama. And it's sterling silver. Really, really nice. 1970s. Really cool. Really nice. And that's the video. If you liked it, please give a like. Remember to comment, share to anyone you think you might like it. And go check out Whatnot if you haven't. There'll be a link in the description below to sign up. And if you haven't used it before, great website. You can shop around. You can get anything from coins to comics to Funkos to jewelry to crystals to sports cards to trading cards to anything you could possibly want, just about. Remember to sign up using the link in the description. I will talk to you all later. And don't forget, I have that, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm doing a 2 1/10 ounce giveaway. And you never know, I might throw more up into the giveaway. You'd have to remember to come back and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. Later. Stack even on a small budget. It'll all add up.